Oh, pink hair peeking through. Get back in there. All right, who is ready to learn how to do this look? I can't. All right, so if you would like to learn this beautiful vampire, sexy, sultry, pretty vampire look, keep on watching. I don't know why I can't speak in this intro right now. It's kind of weird. It's really annoying. Anyway, keep on watching to learn this look. I need to go to bed. Well, I mean, I should be sleeping. It's daytime. But we're in my spoopy lair. I hate myself. Okay, keep watching to learn how to do this look. All right, everybody, let's get started. So we're gonna first go into the Remember Me palette and of course, put on Noir and then realize that we forgot to prime our lids. So pop on some e.l.f. concealer and blend it out. Then go in with Noir from the Remember Me palette. I'm using a small flat brush to apply this because I want it to be really dense. Now that the base is on, I'm switching up to a fluffier brush. I'm really keeping like a very cat eye shape because I want it to be very dramatic and elongated. Now dipping into Lovesick from the Remember Me palette, take that on a small pencil brush and outline the black so that it has the transition. Then you're gonna go into Maturity and blend it out. Now I'm using a little bit more of Noir to really define. This process that I'm going to take today is going to be applying and then blending and then reapplying and then blending and then reapplying and blending because I want it to be perfectly blown out. Now I'm just cleaning up a little bit with a beauty blender. Now under the eye, I'm using a small flat brush and going into Noir and putting that really close to the eye. And then I'm gonna buff that out with Lovesick. Foundation time! You know I'm taking my favorite foundation fish brush and going into the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. I always trip up on that name. Pro Matte Foundation, and this is in the color beige. Now I'm going to blend and buff that into the skin using my beauty blender sponge. Now I'm going back into Maturity and I'm buffing out the edges and really blending them into the foundation. I felt like Lovesick kind of got a little lost, so I'm re-adding Lovesick. Buffing that out with a little bit of maturity. Then on to eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm using my Riase in black brown. This is the best pencil brush ever. It's basically a dupe to Anastasia Brow Wiz, but like half the price. Now using my favorite IOU Line Plus dual-ended eyeliner. Oh, so beautiful. I am doing a very dramatic wingy wing. I don't know what happened today, but my wings went on like butter. It was the greatest wing day. Now just using that brush and a little bit of maturity and buffing again. Using More to Love mascara, I am applying mascara. Also, while we're waiting for me to apply mascara, can we talk about this braiding skill that's terrible? But I braided, so gotcha. Now, using the beauty sponge to pull my eyelid down, I'm tightlining with the Noir. Jumping into the Floral and Bloom Highlight and Contour Palette, we are gonna contour. I'm bringing that contour down my cheek to kind of meet like right behind my jaw. Then contour as usual, chin, nose, temples, everything. Using the top left shade in that Floral and Bloom Highlight and Contour Palette, I'm going to highlight my nose and my cheeks. We're gonna glow like some colons today. Now I'm taking a red liquid lip and I'm applying that to just the center of my lip. Then I'm gonna go on the outside with concealer, smush my lips together so that none of the red is really exposed, and blend out the concealer. Then I'm gonna take Noir and dab that into the center of the lip, and then apply some MAC's lip gloss right on top. I felt like a lot of the red got lost, so I'm just reapplying that a little bit, and smear everything in with your finger. Now I'm using the shade Noir on a pencil brush and really hollowing out my cheeks. I'm drawing pretty much a straight line down, and then I'm gonna buff it out with my contour brush. Apply your wig, and you are a vampy vampire. Alright, so if you want to be a pretty stunning vampire, or, you know, if this is just your aesthetic every day, I'm here for it, because kind of same, like I'm living for this. Anyway, this is the look. I'm dying. I'm not taking this off. I keep getting it stuck in this little thing. Okay, so this is how you achieve this look. Please, wait, did I do an intro? I don't remember. We'll do outro first. Thank you so much for watching. This is the 31 days of Halloween with your Hello Queen, Bree. That's me. If you are interested in buying any of the products used today, you can shop everything except for this guy. He's not available. We don't have Elf yet. We'll try. We keep trying. But you can shop everything in the link below on breemaquillage.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please join us on all of our other social media. We are on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, you know, for you pros. And if you're in the Salt Lake area, please stop by the store. We would love to meet you at any time. So, guys, this lip, Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful freaking day. And I'll see you on the next spoopy video. Bye!
Perfect.